Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you tired of using the default search engine in Microsoft Edge and wish you could switch to Google for better and more familiar results? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to make Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click on the three dots. That's your menu icon. From the drop-down, go ahead and select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left panel and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down a bit until you see Search and Connected Experiences and click on it. Now, move further down to find Address Bar and Search. And yes, click on that one too. Here you'll see an option that says Search Engines Used in the Address Bar. This is where you can check which search engine Edge is currently using. Click on the drop-down arrow and you'll see a list of all the available search engines. If you see Google on that list, simply select it. And that's it. You've successfully set Google as your default search engine. But if Google isn't listed there, no worries, we'll just add it manually. Click on Manage Search Engines, or simply Search Engines depending on your version of Edge. Now click Add to create a new one. In the name field, type Google. For the shortcut, enter google.com. And in the URL field, type h/www.google.com/search:\s. Once you've entered those details, click Save. Now go back to the list of search engines. Find Google, click on the three dots beside it, and select Make Default. And just like that, you've successfully made Google your default search engine in Microsoft Edge. From now on, every time you search from the address bar, you'll get results straight from Google. Faster, smarter, and more accurate. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips and how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.